Hi guys, this is Shruti, your guide for today, and in this video we'll be learning how to use this Dji Mic too. So this combo comes in a case that is also used for charging the transmitter and the receiver. So come, let's see what's inside the box. So this case comes with two transmitters and one receiver. It also comes with two connectors. One is for USB-C and one is for Lightning port. So let's learn how to set up this mic. So firstly, let's start this receiver by pressing on the button that is on the left. So you have to press and hold this button for 3 seconds and it will turn on. Similarly, to turn on this transmitter, you have to press on this power on button for 3 seconds and you will feel a vibration, and also you'll see a green light popping up here. It means it has turned on. So once both of them are turned on, they get paired up automatically, which will also be visible on the screen. So this box also comes with this windshield, which is used to reduce all the unnecessary voices in the background. So all you have to do is place the windshield on the top of the transmitter. You'll hear a click. It means you can use it now. Now to start recording, you'll see a button on the left of it. So you have to press this button once and you'll see this red light popping up. It means it has started recording. Similarly, if you want to stop the recording, you have to press on this button again and it will stop recording. Now to connect this receiver with your phone, you have to use these connectors that we have provided you with the box. For example, let's take this USB-C connector and place it in the bottom of the receiver, and then you have to push it forward like this. So once it is done, you can see it on the display itself that it is connected. Now you can take your Android phone and connect the receiver with it. So guys, remember, now that you have connected the receiver with the phone and you're recording a video, you don't have to press the recording button on the transmitter again, because it will automatically sync the audio with the video that you're shooting. Same goes for an iPhone. Use this Lightning connector to connect and record. Now if you want to record in a camera, you have to connect this receiver using a TRS cable, which is not provided with the box that we give. So you have to put one end of the TRS cable in the orange slot and the other end in the camera slot, and automatically it will start recording, so you don't have to press the record button again on the transmitter. Now if you want to record with two transmitters, you have to do the same thing here again. Press and hold for 3 seconds. You'll see the green light popping out. It means it has turned on and it will automatically pair with it. Now to turn off your mic, press this power button for 3 seconds and you'll feel a vibration. It means it has turned off. Similarly, to turn off the receiver, you have to press on the power button for 3 seconds and it will automatically turn off. Now that we're done with everything, let's learn how to transfer the files. Now connect this transmitter. Remember guys, not the receiver. Connect this transmitter to the laptop using a USB-C cable. You'll see a green light blinking on it. Now you can go to My Files, USB drive, and then DJI audio, and then you can view all the audios that you have recorded. So this is only for the files that you have recorded without connecting the receiver to your camera or your phone. So now you can copy all the files that you need and paste it wherever you need it. But if you have recorded the audio in the other way by connecting the receiver to your phone or your camera, then you don't have to transfer anything because the audio is already synced to the video that you have shot. Last but not the least, let's learn how to charge your receiver and transmitters. There are two ways that you can charge your transmitter and receiver. First is you keep everything in the case and then you'll see there's a C-type slot on the back of the case. You have to use a USB-C cable to charge it, which is provided with the box. But if you want to charge this individually, you'll see there's this USB-C slot. All you have to do is connect it with the USB-C cable and you can charge it individually. So that's all about the Dji Mic 2. If you found this content informative, do hit the subscribe button.